Exporting large data from Power BI can feel like moving a mountain, but don't worry, it's all about using the right tools. First, we need to know why we're exporting this data. Then we choose the right tools so we don't end up frustrated. Optimizing the process saves us from long waits. And finally, ensuring data integrity keeps our reports reliable. Stick with me and I'll show you how to make this process painless. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Now, before we get too excited, let's talk about limitations. Yes, Power BI is powerful, but it's got rules, like row limits that might block full exports. Different formats have unique restrictions, and don't forget, exporting too much can slow things down. Sometimes, external data sources even refuse to cooperate. But don't worry, I'll show you ways around these challenges so you can get all the data you need. Power BI gives us default export options, but they're a bit like ordering a plain burger when you really wanted a fancy one. Excel works great for quick analysis, CSV is nice and structured, and PDFs are perfect for presentations. And here's the catch, the built-in export tools have their limits. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to go beyond Power BI's default settings. A performance analyzer isn't just about speed, it's about smart exporting. We track queries to understand what's happening behind the scenes. If something's slow, we find the bottlenecks. By extracting DAX queries, we take control over exports and best of all, using these insights helps us optimize future reports. Think of it as detective work, but without the magnifying glass. Let's start with the basics. Exporting data sounds simple, but choosing between Excel and CSV can be tricky. CSV is the mean format, quick, lightweight, and universally accepted. Excel, on the other hand, comes with bells and whistles, perfect for formatting and charts. So think of CSV as your no-frills road trip and Excel as your luxury cruise. Pick wisely based on your data's demands. Alright, let's talk about the 150K row limit. It's the roadblock nobody asked for. If your data is feeling cramped, splitting it into multiple sheets might help. A Power Query is your magic wand for handling hefty datasets efficiently. But if all else fails, go straight to the source. Direct database exports mean no limits and no headaches. Think of it like skipping the long queue and walking straight into VIP. Why waste time clicking export when APIs can do it for you? APIs connect you directly to the data source, like having VIP access instead of waiting at the gate. Automation means less manual effort, fewer errors, and more coffee breaks. Plus, APIs ensure data accuracy and work seamlessly with analytics tools. So let's ditch the spreadsheets and embrace the future. Big data exports can get messy fast. So first step, clean your data. Nobody likes exporting a mess. Use CSV for bulk exports, it's fast and doesn't complain. Optimizing queries can save time, because waiting for exports should not feel like waiting for your food at a slow restaurant. Finally, test everything. A bad export is like sending an email without an attachment, just embarrassing. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.